Alright, so why did I choose to order another headset? Well, there's a very good reason for that. I was going on a trip. I needed a new headset because mine kind of broke. Yeah, I'll be going over that in a later video, not this one. And with that, what I ended up having to do is, because I didn't have time to try to figure out a way of fixing it, I decided to order a new Sony headset. Very similar to the one I had worn before, but this one's black, and it's a newer version, and this one's a little bit different than the other one. So with that, let's get the unboxing going. So, I'm going to start by opening the box here, obviously. Standard affair, if you looked at the other one, it has very similar stuff. This one has the high definition sound though, which I thought the other one had great sound to begin with, so I didn't worry about that at all. In this one though, we have an app that we can work with, so that's something I'll have to download soon. With that, let's get this box open here. Let's see, I may need a knife, which I don't have. I have a palette knife though. We'll use something, whatever. Hold on, and alright, let's get this opened, or whatever works, right? Pair of wire cutters or trim flush cutters, whatever you want to call them. Get that plastic off. Cool. This should be a nice headset if it's anything like their last ones. And I mean, these are premium headsets. They're $300 plus. And, you know, that ain't cheap. But my last pair was worth it until I sort of... Anyway, let's continue. Got a lot of good stuff. They work similar to the other one, so I'm not even going to go over that so much in this video, or at least this segment of the video. Alright, let's take a look here. If I can get the box open. Yeah, I'm capable, I swear. There we go. Alright, come on. Here it comes. Here it comes. Come on. You know, the box was really stubborn to get out of the box. But once it started coming out, it came out quite nicely. Alright, here we go. So I'll get the standard affair as far as the box. Similar packaging as the other version I had. It's, like I said, similar packaging, everything. I think the QR code's just for the app that is required, I believe. So, alright, let's get this opened. And it's Android and iOS compatible. Bluetooth 4.0, which is fine. There's not that many devices right now that have 5.0 Bluetooth, and that doesn't really matter because all it is about battery efficiency anyways. This is the real difference. So, quick start guide and manual. There's nothing else. Standard pretty box for an expensive product. Let's just toss that aside for now. Alright. Alright, now to open up the headset itself. And the case is gorgeous. It's a nice hard case, so it protects it very nicely, and they fit comfortably in the case. They really put some thought into the case. I will admit that. So, there it is. You got your touch side, your other side. You get the airplane plug that no airplane uses nowadays, but it's good to have anyways. For your left and right speaker. And these are, of course, noise cancellation, which the noise cancellation is controlled through the app itself. It assists in the control of that. So they basically removed a button on the side, is what they've done. Quality looks about the same. Weight's reasonable. And yeah, cool. So I do like the color. The black color looks really sharp. They don't have that shining edges the silver gray ones did, which is fine. I kind of like that better myself. And as you can see, this style is very similar, if not exactly the same, which is fine because I really like them. Anyways, I think they're comfortable. Yeah, like I said, this is why I need a new headset. This pair, the old pair, does still work, but as you can see, I can't wear them. That kind of makes them a bit of a challenge to wear. You have one kind of dangling there. Yeah, when I go to figure out a way of fixing those, we'll go over what happened, I think. I don't want to do it here. Alright, with that, let's pretty much wrap things up with the unboxing part. It's what, 8? So I think what I'm going to do at this point is I'll give you a quick review on them. Maybe. Yeah, never mind. I'm going to end the video here. I'll do another video because I'm not ready to do the review yet on them. And I'll catch you in the next video. I'm not sure if the next video will be the review or the one after that. I want to wear them for a little bit before I, wear them, use them, try them out, test them, check them out, sort of a scenario before I give you my review. Alright, with that, guys, subscribe. I will have that coming up shortly or soon. And I will have more videos on the way too as well. Alright, catch you guys later. Bye.